Hi everyone. The NIO ET5 Smart Electric Midsize Sedan and NIO EL7 Smart Electric Mid-Large SUV have both been awarded the maximum 5-star safety ratings in the latest 2023 Euro NCAP safety tests. As one of the most authoritative safety testing organizations in the automotive industry, Euro NCAP has rigorous and comprehensive testing standards. The updated 2023 Euro NCAP protocols are much more stringent than ever before. More than 100 active safety scenarios have been added, including motorcycles as a road target type, which has greatly increased the complexity of road traffic scenarios. New vulnerable road user and passive safety tests, vehicle submergence, and advanced eCall tests have also been added to assessment protocols. Since the implementation of the new protocol, NIO became the first automotive brand to achieve a 5-star safety rating. The NIO ET5 scored 96% in adult occupant safety, 85% in child occupant safety, 83% in vulnerable road user safety, and 81% in safety assist tests. Furthermore, it scored full marks in 2 lateral impact tests, the side mobile barrier and the side pole tests. Meanwhile, the NIO EL7 scored 93% in adult occupant safety, 85% in child occupant safety, 80% in vulnerable road user safety, and 79% in safety assist tests. The EL7 earned full marks in 3 tests: frontal impact full-width rigid barrier testing, and lateral impact side mobile barrier and side pole tests. Both NIO's ET5 and EL7 feature autonomous emergency braking (AEB) systems that performed well in tests with other vehicles and road users, demonstrating good or adequate performance in tests involving vulnerable road users, such as pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles. Both vehicles are also able to apply brakes after a collision to avoid a secondary impact. Aligned with Euro NCAP new flood testing, both the ET5 and EL7 can maintain door and window functions long enough for occupants to escape in the event of the vehicle being submerged. What is Euro NCAP? The European New Car Assessment Program, Euro NCAP, is a European car safety performance assessment program founded in 1997 by the Transport Research Laboratory for the United Kingdom Department for Transport and is now the standard throughout Western Europe. Euro NCAP is backed by the governments of the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Sweden, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and Spain, as well as insurance, motoring, and consumer organizations. Euro NCAP publishes safety reports on new cars and awards star ratings based on the performance of the vehicles in a variety of crash tests, including front, side, and pole impacts, and impacts with pedestrians. Furthermore, it promotes electronic stability control, seatbelt reminders, and speed limiters. The top overall rating is 5 stars. How to read the stars? Euro NCAP ratings consist of percentage scores for adult occupant, child occupants, vulnerable road users, and safety assist and are delivered in the overall rating of stars, 5 being the best and 0 being the worst. 5-star safety, overall excellent performance in crash protection and well-equipped with comprehensive and robust crash avoidance technology. 4-star safety, overall good performance in crash protection and all-round, additional crash avoidance technology may be present. 3-star safety, at least average occupant protection but not always equipped with the latest crash avoidance features. 2-star safety, nominal crash protection but lacking crash avoidance technology. 1-star safety, marginal crash protection and little in the way of crash avoidance technology. 0-star safety, meeting type approval standards so can legally be sold but lacking critical modern safety technology. Some cars have dual ratings, as the lower is for the vehicle with standard equipment, while the higher is for the vehicle when equipped with certain options, often in the form of a safety pack. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.